3/4 cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, ginger, half a teaspoon of ginger, ground dried ginger, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and about 2 cups of pumpkin. Big can, 16, 17 ounce can. And we need 1 egg. And finally the Royal Elixir sweetened condensed milk, 1 can. And we blend it all together. This couldn't be easier. Grease a 9 by 12. In this case, ceramic dish. Works very well for baking. We'll put about 6 to 8 sheets on the bottom just to imitate a pie crust, buttering each layer. Seems to be a recurring theme on this site. We're using a non-trans fat butter substitute today. This is our 3rd layer. Okay, now we have 6 on the bottom. We're going to add our filling. It's right on top. And smooth it out. And now, instead of closing the pie like we would on other FILO dishes by just adding sheets on top, we're going to add little flakes of FILO on top of the whole thing to give it more of a relief look. This is a great way to use some FILO that you might have lying around that's dried up already. In this case, this is a sheet that did dry out a little bit, so we're starting with that. And just spreading it evenly across the pie surface. The more haphazard, the better. We preheated our oven to 375. And you'll find when this bakes, it'll be nice and crispy and golden brown on top. And there's no need to score it beforehand. We checked it at 30 minutes, and it was not quite done. The FILO wasn't baked on top. So we went 45, and we're going to try a knife test now. Looks like it's coming out clean, so I believe it's done. Even though I just demolished the center. It'll be fine. And there we have it, pumpkin FILO torte. What we'll do is let it cool for an hour, and then slice it into squares and serve.
And I have.